In the cozy living room of the Harper family home, the cloudy day outside was no match for the lively activity indoors. At the center of it all was X-year-old Mia, armed with her most prized possession, a bright red toy stethoscope. She was the doctor of the day, and her twin brother, Max, along with their teddy bears, were her eager patients. "Dr. Mia at your service," she announced with a flourish, adjusting the plastic stethoscope around her neck. Max grinned from his spot on the fluffy rug, clutching Mr. Snuggles, his well-worn teddy bear. "Dr. Mia, Mr. Snuggles has a tummy ache," said, his voice filled with mock concern. Mia nodded seriously and approached her patient. "Let me check," she declared, positioning the stethoscope chest piece on Mr. Snuggles' stomach. She pretended to listen intently. Sounds like he ate too much honey," Mia concluded, her face breaking into a wide smile. Max giggled, delighted by the diagnosis. Next was Max's turn to be the patient. "Doctor, I think I need a checkup too. I ran too fast and now my heartbeat is all funny," he said, placing a hand over his chest. "Let's see about that," Mia said with a professional nod, pressing his stethoscope to his chest. "Wow, that's super fast. You need to rest and drink lots of water," she advised, playing her part with gusto. The afternoon continued with laughter and pretend treatments, including magical band-aids and a healthy dose of tickle-induced laughter for a dose of joy. Our mother peeked in from the kitchen, her heart warmed by the sight of her children immersed in imaginative play. As the skies cleared and sunbeams gone to sneak through the windows, Dr. Mia and her assistant Max concluded their clinic, certain that all their patients were in perfect health.